How do you actually improve your speaking skills? Well, it's easy for English teachers to say, just have conversations with real people. I've done that myself. But when I'm somewhere like this, I'm reminded that there aren't always native speakers around to have a conversation with. And in fact, sometimes it's hard to find anyone to have a conversation with at all. So if you've got nobody to talk to, how do you improve your speaking skills? Well, the way I see it, you've got three options. Either pay someone, talk to AI, or talk to yourself. Well, put your credit card away for a minute. I mean, you can pay me if you want, but why don't you start with options 2 and 3? So you could have a conversation with AI. Not a bad option, but there are a few problems with AI. It's basically too nice, too agreeable, and blind to your needs unless you give it specific instructions. There's a bit of an art and a science to talking to AI. They call it prompt engineering, but it's basically learning how to give good instructions to get the most out of AI. Even something like this: you're my expert English speaking coach. I understand English, but struggle to speak. You help me advance my level by responding at a higher level, identifying my mistakes and challenging my opinions. That gives the AI some context and you'll get better results. Sit down. And how about talking to yourself? I found this one of the best ways to get fluent when I was learning Spanish and French. There are a few options. You can narrate your day, sort of talking to yourself as you go. This is okay, but I find that I do it for about a minute and then get distracted. Like an hour later, I realise, oh, I was supposed to be speaking French. There's shower time. One place where you're normally on your own is in the shower. Pick a topic to describe or talk through a problem to yourself. I like doing that. Or the most structured approach, get a speaking topic, set a timer and talk for a set time. You can start with 30 seconds and build this up to like 2 minutes. You could even record yourself so that you can identify your mistakes or any improvement points. I've got a couple of videos of me actually doing this structured speaking exercise, so you can watch this one or this one next to see how it's done.